Hello guys, today I am going to show you how you can remove bloatware from your Android device. First of all, you need to install some application on your Windows machine. Also, I am using Windows 64-bit, so this tutorial will not work for Windows 32-bit. First of all, you need to install ADB setup in your Windows. So I am going to show you how you can install ADB setup. Double click on the app and do you want to install ADB first boot? Yes. Install ADB system wide? Yes. Do you want to install a device driver? Yes. All done. Now the main part is you need to enable USB debugging. I have already made a video of it, and it's already 1 year ago I uploaded the video. The video is about enable USB debugging in Android phone. Please check this video and follow the instruction. After that, come to the main video, and you don't need to install this application. It's portable application. Just double click on it. So as you can see, in my device, in my Android mobile, there's many bloatware. I am going to select carrier because it's the carrier phone. You can uninstall of this, but it will not remove completely from your device. So I am going to uninstall all of this bloatware one by one. I am going to refresh it. As you can see, there is no bloatware in my. That's it.